Forex market, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Another update for the day. Today is Thursday. We want to talk about new position that we just established. Actually, it was yesterday. It is the Euro Swiss franc. We feel that it's time to jump in. We were waiting for price action to come back a few days ago when it was dipping below 102.82. We felt that it was a bit of a technical correction. We're talking about this part, and we were literally waiting for that, that move to end and price action to turn around and start to cross over 102.82 again. That was our cue to jump in, and we did so. So we're starting off with relatively small size position, I guess 15K. We want to get some more confirmation on this move, and that's only going to happen with price action keep pushing forward, right? And we have an obstacle pretty close by. 103.70 had proved itself to be a stiff resistance just a couple of days ago. Price was landing, right, and it got a big rejection. We don't think this is the final say. It's just a temporary halt before price action approach again, engages again. This time we believe it's going to smash that level and march forward towards 104.68, which is our final destination and primary target for this particular bullish campaign. But let me show you where we're coming from with this one. It's a pretty hectic formation. It's wild. However, we've been able to filter out all the excess noise coming from here. Check it out. Check this out, guys. This is the formation we're talking about. This 1, 2, and then 3 that actually kind of broke out, right? Seemingly broke out. 105.55 here on the top. Then went down very aggressively, and again made a lot of noise of quote unquote breaking down 102.82. But again, I'm going to show you. I'm going to make the case of this being a false breakdown, just as on the top it was a false breakout. Now price action is coming back up, and it's not surprising for us to see it basing itself back above 102.82 here and inside of that range. That's why 104.67 is our next profit target. So let me show you how I can filter out all that noise, right? All that movement that's sticking out of our system, right? So keep in mind 105.55 on the top, 102.82 on the bottom. You can see how price action is completely trashing these two boundaries. But when you go to the monthly chart, lo and behold, everything is perfectly contained inside of that system. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it clearly. Just a bit of a spike here on the top and a huge spike on the bottom. But you know what? We were calling this out right from the get-go. As price action began to show that spike, we felt that that's what was on the menu here. That's what was coming. And yeah, it did all the way back up. Amazing. Just amazing to see that huge spike. Which basically it's a huge vote of confidence on the resiliency of 102.82 as a support level. Now it's going to push price action back up all the way to 104.67 at the very minimum. So that is pretty much where we're coming from, right? This is the basic, this is the basic technical picture that we're coming off of. And then of course when I show you the daily chart now, I guess it makes much more sense when I show you what's happening here on the daily chart and why we're aiming at 104.67. We have that obstacle at 103.70, right? So that's pretty much it. We're finishing up on this video analysis. Euro Swiss franc, pulling the trigger, establishing a new bullish campaign, chasing about 150 points. We'll see how it goes. Signing off, moving on to the next video. See you there.